this video, I shared my VACV and cover letter with you. If you missed it, this is the video, and if you've watched it already, you're ready for this one. I created a new one. This is not my main LinkedIn profile, and I will tell you how I did it later in the video. For context, this was part of the mini project for the ALX virtual assistant training I've been sharing for since last week on the channel. If you've missed any of the videos, I'm going to create a playlist for my VA journey. Make sure to binge the playlist. It's just 3 videos there. All right. And most importantly, make sure to apply. The application is currently open for September. And before you apply, make sure to watch this video. Very important. So before we get started, give this video some love by clicking the like button. If you've optimized yours already, still watch the video because I am so sure you're going to learn something from this video. All right, let's get started. So this is my virtual assistant LinkedIn profile. This is not my main LinkedIn profile. Here is my main LinkedIn profile. Created this profile for educational purpose only. I'm not going to be maintaining this profile. I'm going to merge my details later to my main account. And if you stay in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. If you're someone like me, you don't want to maintain 2 LinkedIn profiles. Aside what we want, this is against LinkedIn policy, okay? So I'm going to be merging my virtual assistant details to my main account. I'm going to be showing you how. But if you're someone that wants to be whatever, I still want to maintain 2 accounts, okay? You don't want your bosses, if you have a 9 to 5, you don't want your bosses or your co-workers to know that you're doing something on the side. This is how I created the second account. I used a different email entirely. Yes, that's what I did. I used a different email. I used a different phone number to create this account. Another way you can create 2 LinkedIn profiles without having to deal with restrictions, without LinkedIn blocking both of your accounts, is to use a website called Go Login. The website allows you to create multiple profiles for your business without having to deal with restrictions. So if this is something you want to do, check out the link in the description, click on it and sign up. All right, so let's go through my virtual assistant LinkedIn profile. I created this profile just for you. So this profile might not be active later, but anytime you need to get some inspiration for yours, to create yours, you can always come back to it. Okay, always come back to this video, not the profile, because I might delete it later. I don't want to have multiple accounts. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your URL is optimized. You come here where you have this pencil and it will open a new tab, and you click on it. You click on here, type in whatsoever you want your URL to be, and you click on save. That's it for your URL. Okay, so for your cover banner, this is what mine looks like. Very simple. I love black. Yeah, and then I've been playing with this color. I've been playing with orange recently. Yeah, so I decided to use orange as my logo. So I have a phrase here that has to do with virtual assistants, making work easier, saving time, and getting things done. That's it for my cover. Just go to Canva and type in LinkedIn banner. These are different templates that you can choose from. I use the snapper tool. The link is in the description as well to check if my profile picture was suitable for LinkedIn. This is the initial photo I had and it scored 53. I was not smiling in the photo, and they had all these comments about the photo, the contrast, the brightness, the zoom, my whatever, and the background. I had to change it to this one. This is what we have now. My heading, I have tech savvy virtual assistant, managing schedules, enhancing productivity, and I have a sentence here: I help busy professionals focus on what matters. So here I have my YouTube URL. After you've created your portfolio, you can choose to add the URL here or your LinkedIn bio. I'll also show you how to create that as well. You can see here that the open to work logo is not on my profile. This is how you can do that. When you click on this link, it will bring you here. All right, you can edit your job preferences. Here I have virtual assistant, office assistant, administrative assistant. I'm supposed to take this off. I did not. You click on this or you click on the one that is suitable for you. All right, full-time, part-time, contract. Yeah, so the open to work logo, this isn't, I don't know, but personally, this is not professional. Sure, you click on recruiters only and not all LinkedIn members. So once you've done that, just click on save. Let's get out of there. I started my about section with Hi, I specialize in transforming chaos into order by providing comprehensive administrative, technical, and operational support. I help busy professionals focus on what really matters. Here is how I helped my client, and I listed some of the key things I do for my client. I also added a CTA here, call to action, yeah, for them to reach out to me through my email address. Okay, these are the key skills I choose to highlight on my about section: calendar management, email management, travel coordination, project management, Google Workspace. Now let's move on to, that's it, Abby. Yeah, I have my title here. I'm working for myself. Yeah, and I have my description. So according to ALX, you can just copy and paste your CV job duties here. Personally, that's not a good idea. I don't want to go through your CV as a recruiter and go through your LinkedIn. I'm saying the same thing. I feel like this is a place where you have to elaborate on your job duties, on your achievements while you were on the job. Okay, you can't do that on your CV, you can't do that on your resume, but you can do that here. I'm sure ALX mean well, but I do this professionally. This is my professional advice to you. Don't copy and paste. So I have my next experience and that. Okay, I also listed my key skills that are searchable. This is another section I want to comment on. According to ALX, here you can add your start and end date. My professional advice to you is take off your start and end date. Okay, let's say you apply for ALX, you are 37, right? And you use the techniques I shared with you in this video and you got accepted and you want to take this on as a career. I have an opening and you applied, and I'm looking at your resume. You graduated for like 20 years ago. To avoid all these biases against yourself, take it off. This is my professional advice. Okay, don't add your year of graduation in your resume or in your LinkedIn profile, except you are a recent graduate. Then you can flex with that. So I added just my Mackenzie Forward program and my ALX VA program. So that's it. And I listed more skills here in my skills section. Okay, so another thing I want to show you, I think I'm going to show you in my other LinkedIn profile. All right, so this is it for people who want to create a separate LinkedIn profile for themselves. All right, so if you are like me, you want to maintain one LinkedIn profile, let me show you how you can marry that. My main LinkedIn profile, I love my cover banner, so I'm just going to leave it that way. Our first course of action here is to change my profile photo. You have run your course, mate. Time to go. Okay, so let's move on to my header. So for my header, I'm just going to add here Savvy virtual assistant. That's the only thing I want right here. So for my open to work, I'm just going to, these are the things I have here. I'm going to add virtual assistant, yeah, remote, and yeah. Okay, next part is my about section. This is what my about section currently looks like. I'll be adding my VA details here. Okay, so I'm done with my work experience. The next and final section is going to be my skills. Okay, no, that's not going to be the final. I'm going to, let me just do that now. ALX. Okay, so I've added my certification. This is how you do it. Just work on your headline, add the keyword virtual assistant, yeah, work on your about section, work on your work experience, and add your skills. Voila. And remember your certification, very important. And that's it. Now, if you don't want to go through the hassle of optimizing your LinkedIn profile, or you don't even know how to do it, I am here for you. Send me a message on WhatsApp and let's work together. The link is in the description. It's not free. So, if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section. And as always, I will definitely give you a response. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.